This 2014 BMW X3 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. X3 xDrive28i navigation system, panoramic sunroof, heated front seats, 2.0L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, xDrive all-wheel drive system, keyless entry, keyless start, fog lamps, power trunk opener, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door locks, wood trim interior, black exterior, gray leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2014 BMW X3 xDrive is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to visit us at autogallerychicago.com.